You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is p greater than -25/2 greater than -121/2. Let's solve it step by step. Group all p terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 23p from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the p. Divide both sides by -2. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is p greater than -25/2 greater than -121/2.